What's up, fellow travelers? Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to one of the world's most renowned zoos, the San Diego Zoo. Get ready to witness nature's wonders up close and personal as we explore this sprawling wildlife sanctuary. As we step into the San Diego Zoo, the excitement is palpable. The air buzzes with anticipation, and the vibrant colors of the surrounding flora and fauna immediately captivate our senses. This isn't just a zoo, it's an immersive experience that transports you to the heart of the animal kingdom. Our first encounter is with the majestic African elephants, their colossal presence commanding attention. We observe them as they roam their expansive habitat, their gentle nature evident in their every movement. It's a humbling reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Venturing further into the zoo, we stumble upon the playful antics of the orangutans, their acrobatic skills and mischievous personalities, leaving us in awe. Their intelligence shines through as they interact with their surroundings, reminding us of the deep connection between humans and our primate cousins. As we traverse the zoo's diverse landscapes, we encounter a kaleidoscope of creatures, from the elusive snow leopards to the vibrant flocks of exotic birds. Each exhibit is a testament to the zoo's commitment to conservation, providing these animals with habitats that mimic their natural environments. Our journey through the San Diego Zoo has come to an end, but the memories we've created will last a lifetime. This extraordinary sanctuary has not only entertained but also educated and inspired us, fostering a deeper appreciation for the natural world and its inhabitants. If you're seeking an unforgettable adventure that combines entertainment, education, and conservation, the San Diego Zoo is an absolute must-visit. So, pack your bags, gather your loved ones, and embark on a journey that will leave you with a newfound respect for the animal kingdom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more captivating travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep embracing the wonders of our planet.